If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Isn't that true? That's a quote from Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world. And what I'm going to show you is how you can make money while you sleep. Hi everybody, my name is Chris from the TradingMentors.com. I'm head trader, head coach, and I'm going to show you a way of making regular profits while you sleep. So a very warm welcome to the TradingMentors.com. As I say, my name is Chris. I've been trading for over 25 years. I've lost a lot of money, and guess what? I've made a lot of money as well in that time. And I'm going to show you a technique which you can profit from immediately, whether you're a beginner or advanced, because it's very simple, very straightforward. So follow me through the video and I will show you exactly how it works. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get the signals, how you can get the charts, so you can start making money immediately. So here we have the pound USD on the daily chart, and we've got several indicators on here. To make it simple for me as well as anybody else is that I've got colors here. Blue is buy, red is sell. So that's a very straightforward way of indicating where the price is going to go next. So this is a daily chart. So you are going to hold positions for a few days or even a few weeks, and you can follow me along the journey as well. So here we have a situation with the pound USD, and we have a red signal here, and I'm going to wind this forward to show you exactly what happens and why it happens. But before we do that, let's put in a short position here. Our stop is above this area here, and we're looking for 2 or 3 to 1. Let's go for 3. Let's go for 2.87, which lines up with this nicely, this previous low here. And let's see what happens. And I'll explain it as we go so you get a better understanding of what actually occurs. Okay, so our target's been hit. So several things here. First of all, what's really important is at the point of entry, the ribbon that you see here. Let me get rid of that. The ribbon here is red. That's the first clue. The candlestick is red. That's the second clue. These are rules that have to be abide by. And the other thing to notice here on this RSI is that the crossover, the mauve line below the yellow, you can make these any colors you like, is crossed over already as well. In addition, and this is really, really important, the RSI is crossed below the 50, which is the 0 line, if you like, which indicates weakness about here. So this is likely to continue down. So let's have a look. And the other thing to notice here, we already had a sell signal right at the very top here. For us, it's not good enough. If you want to be aggressive, you can take that trade. You make a lot of money, that's for sure. But the rules here for me are that the price has to break down this ribbon here. Otherwise, what can happen is you get a sell here, it bounces off this area here and shoots straight back up. So wait for confirmation, wait for the rules to apply, and the RSI to move down. So let's move forward. And it continues downwards. Now this is what we call price structure. Price structure is really, really important. Price structure means that basically there's support for this price now. Okay. But the rules aren't ready yet. We've got a buy signal, or if you're short this, for instance, then you have an exit signal as well. That can be seen as that, there and there. But now you don't want to be selling this now. This indicates a buy is highly likely, even though it's against the trend, but not confirmed yet. Look at the RSI. The RSI is below the waterline of 50. This needs to move up. We have a buy signal here as well, which is very, very good. and highly likely to go up. So you have one buy signal, you have two buy signals, but it's not ready yet. Let's get this trade ready. We know where our stop is going to be before we enter, and we know that our target is going to be at least 2 to 1. Right there. Did you spot that? That is the entry. Okay. Now this is a daily chart, so it's very slow. It's not as quick as this, obviously. Each candle represents one day. So now you are in live at that price, 133.14 roughly. And your target is 137. So that's a nice 400 pip target, which is exactly what we're looking for. So let's see how this pans out. All the rules apply. And away it goes. Now you have an exit there, potentially. And there it hits your target there. So there was two choices here in this trade. Again, this lasted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days to the exit there if you wanted to. 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So that's 2 weeks. So that would have taken 2 weeks to reach your target, which is fine. Doesn't matter how long it takes, does it? And this is how you make money while you sleep. A really, really simple, easy way to make money while you sleep and profit. And this is what you want to do. This is how you build wealth for the long term. Now, one thing to acknowledge here as well is when the RSI goes over 70, this is you definitely need to be out of this now. Let's just play a bit forward now just to see how it goes. You have a doji there and an exit and a sell. And so you have another sell signal here. So let's do the maths on this. This is a short position. A couple of things to note here as well. Firstly, we have a sell signal. We want 2 to 1, so that's about there. And we have a sell signal here. We have a sell signal here. But more importantly, notice here the RSI has fallen below the 50. This indicates a sell-off is likely. Exit if you want to there. Another sell there. Another sell there. And there it reaches target. Sometimes it takes longer. I think that's 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know. But nonetheless, very highly accurate, highly probability trades, if I get the words out. And what I can do for you, if you want to, is I can actually show you how it works and train you properly in this. And also I can give you the signals as well. So this is the website, thetradingmentors.com. This is the plans and pricing page. You can join me at my home, and I'll charge you £5,000 for the whole day, which we'll be trading together and learning together. That gives you a whole 12 months support as well. It's not just the £5,000 for the day. And it includes lunch. A treat to lunch. The ultimate trading course, I've reduced the price from $297 to $197. That's a 3-month course where I support you for 3 months and give you lots of videos and books and so on. There's the gold trading course for $97, and then there's the signals. Trade with me live every day. I will text you whenever a trade goes live for $39.95. So there's lots of choices. The other thing you can do, you can join me on my group Telegram, which is free, and I'll keep you updated what's going on in the markets. From me, Chris, I hope you enjoyed that video, and any questions, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's really important that you do that, and tell your friends as well. Have a great day.